Welcome to the Food Psychology channel. We help you to keep your health in your hands by providing quick informative videos. Want to learn which cheese is good or bad for health? Want to learn the differences between natural and processed cheese? Want to know which is the healthiest cheese? Learning how to buy cheese is important as cheese is a good source of calcium, protein, and fat. Cheese has high amounts of vitamins A and B12, along with zinc, phosphorus, and riboflavin. Natural cheese has been used for a long time and has many health benefits. Natural cheese is made with raw unpasteurized milk, salt, natural enzymes, and rennet. Natural cheese is lumpier and separates when it melts. Natural cheese tastes better with age and has no chemicals or preservatives. Natural cheese is generally more expensive compared to processed cheese. Now let's look at how processed cheese is made. To make processed cheese, natural cheese is first heated to kill mold and bacteria. Now sodium phosphate is added as an emulsifier to prevent fats and solids from separating. Preservatives, vegetable oil, artificial ingredients, and salt are added to hold the cheese together. Hence processed cheese has a longer shelf life and melts without separating. Processed cheese has 50% to 60% natural cheese. Processed cheese has higher calories and salt and widely used in fast food as it tastes good. Some natural cheese labels are Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, Grana Padano. Some natural cheese labels which are not authentic: Parmesan, Parmigiana, Parmesan, Parmigiana, etc. Some processed cheese labels are Pasteurized processed cheese, pasteurized processed cheese, food or spread or product, blended cheese. Finally, we have imitation cheese, which is made of oils and chemicals. Imitation cheese melts like cheese but is not cheese. Stay away from it. Always ask the cheesemonger if what you're buying is the real deal or not. Please hit the subscribe button. This will help us to make more informative content for you. Hit the notification bell for new content. Please like and share the video on social media. When you are buying cheese, focus on finding one with the least ingredients. The quality of the cheese depends on the quality of the milk used. Organic and 100% grass-fed cow's cheese have optimal omega-3 to omega-6 ratios and have vitamin K2. Low-fat and part-skim milk cheese have thickeners and sweeteners added to them. Better to buy whole milk cheese and then use less quantity. Pre-shredded cheese from all brands use cellulose or corn starch to prevent caking in the bag. Pre-shredded cheese tends to have chemical called natamycin to prevent molding and has added colors, dyes. So always buy block cheese and shred the cheese yourself. Similar to shredded cheese, sprinkable Parmesan, crumbled feta cheese, etc. are full of additives. Avoid them. Feta cheese should be made from 100% sheep or goat milk. If it has cow's milk, avoid it. Orange color is added to cheddar cheese to make it look good, so better to buy white cheddar. To avoid additives, stay away from low-fat, shredded, sprinkable or crumbled cheese. Avoid imitation cheese and reduce processed cheese intake for long-term health. If you are low on budget, it's better to skip cheese than buying low-quality cheese, as it doesn't provide you any health benefits. In conclusion, buy natural cheese, else buy organic and or 100% grass-fed, whole milk, low artificial ingredients processed cheese. Healthiest cheeses are mozzarella, Parmesan, cheddar cheese, goat or blue cheese, feta cheese, cottage cheese and Swiss cheese. Knowledge is power, so take tiny steps each day for holistic changes. Please comment which tip about choosing cheese you like the most. Was the video useful? Please like, share, and subscribe. This encourages us to make more useful content. Remember that your health is the most important asset in your life. Money cannot buy health all the time. Do not keep your health in others' hands. Check the video description to find useful links. Thanks for watching.